Okay, guys, so we are about to leave for Sugakope, and there's a car I'm going with. You see that? All right, so. Place looks so beautiful, it looks so amazing, and I cannot wait to share my experience with you. I told you I was coming to Sugakope. I'm here, I'm done swimming, and they've prepared my room, and I can't wait to show you guys. So follow me and let's see what they prepared for me. Let's go. So this is the experience I want to share with you, and that is why I've been asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bugha room comes with bed and breakfast, so let's see what they have for breakfast and what I worth the amount, and if it's not nice, I'm gonna be very, very honest with you. I'll tell you that it's not nice. You know how I do it on this channel. Keep it real, 100%. And I am touring around. This is the bar area, and let me just ask the bar guy what he does. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Shine.
Shine.
Yeah.
Wow, he's shining already for us. You can see that he's shining. So what kind of drinks do you guys have here?
Oh, you have melody, you have local drinks, you have foreign drinks, and then you have...
Wow, so basically you guys have everything.
Yeah.
So if you are looking to get away with your family, or you are a company that wants to just come out of Accra and have something within the Sugakope region, please come here at Sugakope Beach Resort, and he is going to take care of you. Before I leave, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, if you want to come to Sugakope Beach Resort to have a fun, you can come. Everything is around. You have pool, you have everything, table tennis, and you have swimming pool, you have boat, you have jet ski, everything.
Hey guys, they have everything though. Like what they mentioned already, it sounds like everything. You know, washrooms are very, very key, and if you go to a place like hotel or restaurant or wherever you want, you want place of convenience. So that is why I brought you to the washroom, and I need you to see whether the washroom is neat enough or it's not. Yeah, I need you to see for yourself. After a delicious breakfast, I'm going to relax a little bit, but trust me, the space here is always amazing. I always like it here, and this is somewhere I'll urge all of you to visit. Try and visit, because look, yes, this is the Sogakope Beach Resort. Like, come, we don't have to disturb. People are chalet trying to rest, so but this is heaven on earth, paradise in Sogakope. Are you a captain for the day? Please tell us about this your amazing boat.
Oh, okay. We call it pontoon. It's American pontoon boat.
Okay.
I take a number of 19 passengers.
Wow, the American pontoon. Is it pontoon or pontoon?
Yes, pontoon.
Pontoon. Yeah, it takes 19 people. 19, yes, and that is what we are going to be enjoying today.
Yes.
He's going to be our captain for the day.
Yeah.
Please,
yes.
how can you assure us of our safety?
Oh, you are safe. You can see the whole boat is very wide and big. Before entry, this is the entrance.
Okay.
First of all, you'll be given a life jacket.
Okay.
You wear it, you strap it very well on you. And when you come, you just relax inside. You are safe.
Can I come inside to just see?
Oh, sure.
All right.
Come on board.
Oh, it feels like
Yes.
I'm going to be on a wild life on the boat.
Yeah, you can see the whole seat over here.
Okay.
It goes right from your left side right all the way to the back, and it has a relaxing area over here.
Ooh.
Where you can climb and sit this way. You can relax in style.
Please let me relax. Let me relax with you.
Relax in style.
If I relax, won't I fall in the water?
No.
I won't fall. Even like this, I won't fall. Yeah. Guys, come to Sogakope. Come and enjoy this. Like, I'm going to go on the ride right now, and I'm going to enjoy all of these amazing things. So if you want to enjoy with me, please book a space here. And yes, I'm talking to you watching me right now. So they say I have to wear the jacket for my own safety. That is the first assurance. You see, your safety is assured. Yes. So it is when I jump in the water, what happens?
Oh, you float. Help you to.
So am I allowed to just jump in the water and be floating?
Yeah, I'm Captain Kofi. Like you can see,
Ooh. Please wait. Very, very important question. How many accidents have you had on this this river?
No accident.
No accident.
It's not recorded.
None. I don't think he's a good driver. Every good driver needs to make at least 1 or 2 accidents. What do you think? Yes, I'm having a party here. Is there any fridge for my drinks or somewhere I can just store my drinks?
Oh yes.
Can I see?
Okay. First of all, we have only this side for storing of like washing of your hand.
Okay.
We have another side over here too. You see, this boat is a very big boat.
Okay.
Where you can order food, bring drinks on board.
Okay.
We have cool buses where your drinks will be kept in, and when you come, release small tables for you while sitting and chewing something on the water.
Apart from honeymoon, I think we can do our birthday parties here. So what do you think?
Oh yes, birthday party. Yeah.
Please, we don't talk plenty, we show. I've shown you. Come and experience for yourself. That is the last thing you need to do. Yes, the captain has assured us everything already.
Picking up a love, friends fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else.
How was the experience?
It was scary. You said I was just gonna ride around slow, and we went really fast. So it was fun. It was a good time.
You wanna do this again?
I would do this again, yes.
Okay. She was the one who was scared, but like I'm wondering how come she was able to go through without. You're not crying. How come?
Because it was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So whoever is watching this video, what do you want to tell them?
Definitely come to Sogakope Beach Resort and do the jet skis with, what's your name? Enoch. He's a great captain, and I felt very safe, and like I wasn't gonna fall in the water, except for a few times.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
sister speedboat.
Okay.
We cook it. We have 30 minutes and then half an hour. So either 30 minutes or half an hour, right from the resort to the lower bridge. That's about Copper Bridge. And then we have other places that you may see. There are other resorts around. There are other places that we can go around before you to have a view. Then you have fun on the river.
Always an adventure with Mr. Fernando.
It's just how we want it. Going left, going right. Doesn't matter tonight. Just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunks full of. We're gonna stay up. Have the time of our lives. The night is young. Don't need any.
You know, this is a good life when you come to Soga Copper Beach Resort. Once you know yourself, you trust yourself with swimming, you can jump in, come out. Make sure you have your life jacket. It's not is this advisable? Do you guys allow people to do it? If they want it. Okay, so I wanted it and I've gotten it. Yeah!
To every song.
Krista is on this pontoon. Let's ask her some few questions. Yes, Crystal.
Yeah.
Tell us about the experience so far.
It's been really nice. It's been peaceful and calm, but there's also been some thrill with the speed. We've been listening to music and enjoying cold drinks. It's really amazing.
Very nice.
Very nice, eh?
Nice and tasty.
Ignatius said he's bringing his girlfriend here, and then he have his captain to he's taking the whole boat for himself. Any recommendation? Are you going to recommend this place to anyone?
Yeah. See, I've been to many places with so many people, but being here is something different.
Ooh, I didn't say it too. He said it for himself. He said it. All right, so let's enjoy this ride.
We came to
are
party
going
all
on
night
this.
long. Let's sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention. Don't need nobody else in our zone.
Who are you?
I'm Lizzie. Hi.
Is it Lisbeth or Lizzie?
Lizzie.
Charlie, Lizzie. I mean,
It's Liz.
Elizabeth.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes?
No.
Anyway, so tell us, what do you do here?
I'm the spa therapist here.
Uh-huh.
Facials, makeup, hair, massage, pedicure, everything.
Please, right now I'm from swimming and my hair looks, I don't know, guys, you can see. Lizzie, can you do something about this hair?
Yes, of course.
What are you going to do?
Nice.
Something nice, eh? I don't want to braid my hair.
No, I'm ready.
You won't braid it? So you touch my hair?
Surprise.
You surprise me. When a lady tells that she'll surprise you, be scared. Is this supposed to be the spa?
Yeah, this is the pedicure session.
This is a pedicure session, okay.
Moving straight to the massage.
Oh la la! Dang. The good news is, if you are here, you have the view of. Look at that! Look at that! Ooh. Yes. So Lizzie, Charlie.
This is our jacuzzi room.
It's getting serious.
Here you have a view of the Volta Lake.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh wow!
So you come here,
Uh-huh.
you have an open massage
Okay.
for the jacuzzi. You and your switch partner.
Is it jacuzzi for two?
Yeah, jacuzzi for two.
Guys, just take a look at it.
Just there, a mini bar for you with music. Then you close the curtain, then it's like in your room.
So wait, Lizzie, wait. What about if I am here and I don't have a partner?
You alone carry insurance.
You guys cannot get me a partner,
No, please. I'm here to accompany you. You'll be in the jacuzzi.
but you can't be a partner, guys.
I'm working.
So
It's my place of work.
it's supposed to be part of the work.
So I can only be here to give you a shoulder massage.
You so that massage you.
Make plans so as we go. Where we dance when no one knows just how we want it. We want it.
My
stay has come to an end. I can't believe it. Like, I'm sad. But guys, I've enjoyed my stay here so far, and I want to do this again. I want to come back here and enjoy this place again. So let's see how best we can make this happen. But then stay tuned for my next
We
video.
don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention. Yeah, we just wanna dance on